Insta Influencer AI is one of the best just released AI software tools that every influencer or aspiring content creator needs to know about. Whether you're just starting or you're already experienced, this software has the potential to elevate your social media game. Today, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Insta Influencer AI that will change the way you create, engage, and grow your online presence. First off, Insta Influencer AI is designed to help you supercharge your social media efforts by automating the time-consuming tasks involved in creating posts, analyzing engagement, and optimizing your content. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or just one, this tool simplifies the entire process. What makes this software stand out is its ability to generate high-quality content ideas tailored to your niche and audience. Instead of staring at a blank screen, Insta Influencer AI provides creative prompts and content suggestions based on the latest trends and what's currently working for influencers in your field. It saves you hours of brainstorming and research. Another impressive feature is its content calendar and scheduling function. You can plan your posts in advance, ensuring consistent posting without the stress of figuring out what to share on the fly. This also helps you strategically plan your content around key dates, campaigns, or trends that matter to your followers. Now, the engagement tools are where Insta Influencer AI really shines. This software doesn't just let you post content. It analyzes the data behind your posts and gives you actionable insights on what's working. From engagement rates to hashtag performance, you'll receive feedback on how your content is performing and what to tweak for better results. But it gets even better with the advanced follower targeting features. Insta Influencer AI helps you identify the ideal followers who are most likely to engage with your content. By analyzing behavior and interests, it recommends strategies to organically grow your audience while making sure you're reaching the right people. For those of you who've struggled with content performance, the software's AI-driven optimization tools are game changers. It tells you the best times to post, which hashtags to use, and even suggests changes to your captions and visuals to make your posts more effective. This is an essential feature for anyone looking to maximize reach without spending endless hours experimenting. One of the biggest perks of Insta Influencer AI is its simplicity. Unlike other complex platforms that require you to learn complicated systems, this tool is user-friendly and designed for people who want results quickly. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it, which is a huge relief for busy influencers and content creators. Insta Influencer AI can be tried for free from the first link below, and after thousands of AI tools tested, I highly recommend giving this a shot if you're serious about growing your online presence. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools in the description below. After testing thousands of software platforms, these are the ones I trust the most for boosting social media results. Trust me, you don't want to miss these.